What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the best mods, and well, in my opinion, the best mods that you could put on a BMW E90, 335, 328, 325. It doesn't matter. Did I say 325 twice? I think I did. 328, 325, and 335. There you go. Yeah, it's just basically like 10 mods, honestly, in my opinion, or some of you guys might agree with me on those mods that do make your E90 look good. And yeah, let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna head on over to my usual spot, and we gonna get this video started. We are here. Let's go. As you can see, there was a big flood around here, and it was terrible. One thing about my college over here in the Lodi campus is when it floods, it gets really high. Like, as you can see, that trees knocked down the stop signs and the do not enter sign is all down. It looks crazy, man. Damn, that sucks. It happened a few days ago too. Alright guys, so the first mod that I'm going to mention, and since I'm already in the car, is going to be the steering wheel. Now this is one of the best mods that you could do for your E90. I personally like this steering wheel, and I actually was going to say this as a surprise, but here, check it out. Shout out to my girlfriend for actually stitching the steering wheel for me, and I got this off of eBay, this whole leather steering wheel wrap. I didn't want the one with Alcantara on the side or up here. I just wanted full straight leather because I like leather personally. Leather is probably like my favorite thing to grip on. That sounds kind of wrong, but for a steering wheel, leather is like the way to go for me. Like, I can't go with nothing else besides leather. And I love that this little red strip accent, however you call it, is right here. So coming in is the second mod that I'm going to suggest that you guys do, and it is tinting your windows. I had a fishbowl. My car was a straight fishbowl before I had tints on my car, and I did not like it at all. I find it ugly. It just feels weird without having tints, and I like tints because of privacy, and nobody could be all up in your car looking and stuff. Like, I especially hate it when I'm driving down the street, and let's say, for example, that's the way the entrance, right? Come down this way, you know, there's some people over there chilling, talking, and they could be like, oh, that's a nice car. And so I'm riding past, they all up in it like, oh, who's that? That's annoying. I hate that so much. I despise that. Like, so I suggest you get tents. Tents is a must. If you like tents, there is an airplane right there. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's kind of loud. Yeah, but tents are a must. It's a given. You need to get tents. I swear. Like, it's gonna be so much better. Your car is gonna look so much better for your car, and all the other goody good stuff, you know. And for those who do live in states where you can't get tents on your car, that sucks. I find that protocol stupid. I honestly think that you should be able to have tents on your car. It's your car, you bought it, but you know, you gotta obey by the state rules and protocol and laws, which I find not fair, but hey, you know, it is what it is. So coming in to number 3 are these bad boys right here. Upgrade your tail lights. Well, tail lights is another one. There's some pretty good aftermarket E90 tail lights, but headlights for E90s, if you have the stock halogen ones, the ones that come original from factory, upgrade your headlights. Now these are depots. I did have the other headlights. They were like thicker. The angel eyes were thicker than this, but those are alright. But these right here, they're so much better, and I suggest you get depots. Depots is the way to go. They're probably the best aftermarket headlights for a E90. You can get them on a 328, 325, or 335. There's another plane flying over. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm pretty sure you guys can probably still hear me, but yeah, get these headlights. These that I have right here are halogen models, so I paired these with H7 bulbs, H7 LED bulbs from Auxito. They're a really good company. Check them out. They're not sponsoring me. They have these in HID as well, adaptive headlights. So HID adaptive, yeah, they have these headlights in those variants as well. So if you have HID adaptive headlights, you can get these set up for that specific headlight model that you have on your car. So yeah, these right here, really good. Get them. All right, so coming in right next to the headlights are these bad boys right here. Kidney grills. Yup. Now I went with the double slided ones because I found these to be better than the regular single slated ones. These just look really good to me. You know, not everybody has these. A lot of the E90s that I see on the road don't have these. Only a few, which is kind of my point. Not everybody's gonna have these specific ones. I would have gotten carbon fiber, but I was like, nah, I don't want carbon fiber on gray. Really, I'll just stick with the gloss black. Gloss black is like a really nice, simple color. Just makes it look nice and simple. You know, and I'm a simplistic guy. You know, so I didn't want to go all over the top. I just got these. These right here. I suggest you get these. These are another really good mod to do to your car. There's another plane coming. That's three planes. I think there's an airport over there somewhere, or it's going that way. I don't know, but yeah, these are another good mod. Get these, and I got them from eBay as well. So eBay or Amazon is where you can get those from. Well, another good mod that you can do on your E90 are M-style side view mirror caps. I got these off of eBay. I forgot exactly how much I got these for. I think they were like around $40, I believe. $30 to $40, I think. I'm not too sure. But yeah, these transform the car. It makes it look so much better. I like how they look. Although I do see some imitators on the road, like Camrys, Hondas, Infinities. Apparently they have side view mirror caps. And what's weird is I seen an Audi with M-style side view mirror caps today. I'm like, what the freak is that? Why are you trying to be like your competition, your main competition, which is BMW? Like, come on, Audi. Well, I'm sorry, I can't blame Audi on that. I gotta blame the people that make the product. So whoever that driver was that put those side view imitation mirror caps on their Audi, I think it was a A3. Yeah. Why would you do that, bro? Like, what are you doing? Like, Jesus. It's just so weird to me that a lot of these companies that make products to imitate a BMW, it just boggles my mind. Like, even with the headlight situation, there's a lot of companies that make headlights that look like BMW with the angel eyes and stuff, and now they're doing side view mirror caps. Bro, it's amazing how like a lot of these people, well, companies trying to be down with BMW. You're so innovative just for that, you know, very innovative. All right, now an honorable mention for, this is gonna be the last mod on this video, on this list that I had, are tail lights. Changing out your tail lights to some aftermarket ones. I've seen some people just do what I did and just put like a red overlay right here. This part is originally white, so I put a red overlay on that part and the inner part right here to make it look better, more like LCI lookish, however you want to call it. But some people just upgrade to some different options of tail lights for the E90, and I've seen some really nice ones that look like 5 series tail lights. I do want to get those. They're about like $230, which is not bad. And I hope they don't give off codes, because if they do, I'll just ignore it. It doesn't matter. I don't really care. I'll probably just code them out later, but I'm probably gonna I am gonna plan on doing the tail light change and getting some aftermarket tail lights, and you guys will have that content in another video. I don't know why I can't speak today. Oh my god, I think my mind is tired. If you enjoyed this video for the best mods for your E90, please leave a like. I would appreciate it. And you can also comment down below in the comment section what your best mods are, your list that you give me. I don't care what it is. You can just tell me, list it down in the comments, and I'll like it. And I'll even be like, oh, I'll reply to it, you know, because I like to show my subscribers love, and make sure that you guys know that I'm interacting with you, which I always do, no matter what, even on my old videos. Yes, don't remind me again about getting rims. Please don't, because I already know I need to get some rims. These, I don't really even like these rims, but they're bearable right now. They're tolerable because I painted them black, and it looks good with the gray. So yeah, that's it. But yeah, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Stay safe. Peace out.